Alright guys, I got this four-wheeler yesterday. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. I had it running for probably 30 seconds and it cut off. It's getting spark, it's getting gas, all the electrical is fine. I'm stuck, and I just want to see, what y'all's opinion was. I did a fresh oil change. The guy I got it from said it sat in a storage unit for a few years. Got brand new gaskets all around. Everywhere. I complete all new gaskets. Because my first concern was maybe it doesn't have enough compression. I know it has to have the right amount of compression in order for it to kick. So I haven't done a compression test on it, which is probably going to be my next step once I find a compression tester. But yeah, I really need y'all's opinion, on what y'all think might be wrong with it. I'm not sure of the brand. I know it's Chinese. I know that. Not even sure what size. It might be a little 50, a 70, or a 110. I'm not sure. It actually doesn't have nothing on the motor at all. The plastics are just solid white. But nothing. It doesn't have clone, nothing. It's got 107 OM3 on the other side of the block. I googled that and it doesn't tell me nothing. It just pulls up Chinese four-wheelers. So yeah, if y'all could just drop y'all's opinion below. See if I can come to a conclusion of what it could be. Yeah, I'm pretty much stuck. I know a lot of people out there, a lot of y'all YouTubers that I'm actually subscribed to. They work on Chinese stuff. One of the guys, his name is what's his YouTube channel? Fearless Front. Another guy, he's got a Chinese scooter. It's Matthew Charrington. Y'all actually go subscribe to his page. He is pretty badass. He's got a ton of money into a Grom or whatever. And it is badass. It's super badass. Yeah, he's got another little like a three-wheeler scooter. It's pretty badass too. It's like you will never see another one of those. But yeah, if y'all would just please drop a comment, give me y'all's opinion on what you think it might be, and I'll go from there. But alright y'all, thanks.